Faraday Future has announced the launch of its EAI plus crypto dual flywheel and dual bridge strategy, which aims to merge embodied AI, EAI, with the rapid growth of the crypto asset economy. The company introduced the C10 Index, a market cap-weighted basket of the world's top 10 crypto assets, excluding stablecoins, and the FFAI C10 Treasury, targeting $500 million to $1 billion in crypto purchases, starting with an initial $30 million. The Treasury will allocate assets using an 80% passive, 20% active strategy to deliver 3% to 5% staking yields, which will be used to fund innovation, stock buybacks, and balance sheet strength. The company also plans to launch the EAI vehicle chain, which will enable tokenized vehicle sales, crypto-based deposits, and Web3 native user engagement. Leaders, including California State Treasurer Fiona Ma, have highlighted the initiative as a potential driver of jobs, investment, and sustainable growth. The strategy will operate through a wholly owned subsidiary called FFAI Crypto Treasury and Bridging Holdings, Inc., which will use dedicated financing exclusively for cryptocurrency asset purchases. Ian Calderon, FF Co-Creation Officer and founding board member of the California Blockchain Working Group, said that the next decade could be a super long bull cycle for the crypto market. California State Treasurer Fiona Ma provided video remarks supporting the company's strategy. FF plans to maintain separate legal and financial structures for its cryptocurrency and electric vehicle businesses to promote risk isolation, with digital assets held by third-party custodians and verifiable on blockchain networks. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.